Multiply polynomials. We're going to take x minus 3 and we're going to multiply it times x squared plus 2x minus 5. On a problem like this, it's basically you're going to distribute twice. I'm going to take this x, I'm going to multiply it times x squared. X times x squared, remember when you multiply the same base, you add the exponents. 1 plus 2 is 3. So that gives me x cubed. I'm going to go x times 2x to get plus 2x squared. And then I'm going to go x times negative 5 and get minus 5x. So I take the x and I distribute it. And then I'm going to take this minus 3 and I have to distribute it as well. So negative 3 times x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times times positive 2x is negative 6x. And then negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15. So you distribute, and then you're going to have to combine like terms. Starts out here with an x cubed. I go through there, squared, 1, x squared, x to the first, constant. So it doesn't have a like term, so I'm just going to bring it down. Then I have a plus 2x squared. And I look through here, and there's another x squared, a negative 3x squared. So 2 minus 3 is negative 1x squared. I have a minus 5x. And I'm going to combine it with minus 6x. So negative 5 minus 6 is negative 11x. And then on the end, there's this plus 15 that's by itself. I'm just going to bring it down. And so x minus 3 times x squared plus 2x minus 5 is equal to x cubed minus x squared minus 11x plus 15. All right, let's try another one. Let's go negative 2y squared plus 3y minus 6. And I'm going to multiply that times y minus 2. So let's just rewrite it here. And when you rewrite it, if you want to change the order, you can take this y minus 2 and put it in front over here if you wanted to do that. And then you just distribute the y, distribute the negative 2. That's fine. If you don't want to switch it, then you're just going to have to take the negative 2y squared times the y times the negative 2, and then take the 3 and distribute it and distribute the 6. So it doesn't matter how you do it. You have some options. So just remember that. I think I'm just going to go with the first one. Negative 2y squared plus 3y minus 6 times y minus 2. So I'm going to take negative 2y squared times y gives me negative 2y cubed. And I'll go negative 2y squared times a negative 2 is a positive 4y squared. I'll take my 3y and I'm going to multiply it times y to get plus 3y squared. And I'll take the 3y times a negative 2 and get negative 6y. And then last, I'll take the negative 6 times y to get negative 6y. And then we'll go negative 6 times negative 2 to get positive 12. After we've done that, we'll combine any like terms that we have. I've got this minus 2y cubed. It doesn't have any like terms. There's no other y cubed, so I'm just going to drop it down, negative 2y cubed. I've got a 4y squared, and it has a like term of 3y squared. So I'm going to go 4 plus 3 to get 7y squared. And then there's a minus 6y and a minus 6y. So if I put those two together, negative 6 minus 6 is negative 12y. And then there's a constant on the end by itself. Put those together. So my final answer will be Negative 2y cubed plus 7y squared minus 12y plus 12. Again, if you look at the exponents on the y's, they're going 3, 2, this would be 1, and then 0. So they are in decreasing order. That's how you're going to want to write your final answer.